all, myself Agnivo Das Barman. I am basically a faculty of Accommodation Operations in Dolphin School of Hotel Management. I have been associated with this company close to a year. So basically Accommodation Operation deals with the cleaning of the hotels. So over here we teach the students, like I myself teach the students about the cleaning process and the procedures to be followed, because if in the future while they will be working in the hotels, they might know, like they should know what to do and what not to do by the cleaning processes. So they should follow the different kind of cleaning process that are followed in the hotel, and they should be aware. So over here we do give them like the practical classes and the theoretical classes on that, and we teach them like different kinds of, like I can tell you one thing, like different kinds of the towel foldings that are used in the room decoration for the guests, because different guests come in the hotel with different expectations, and different kind of decorations are done for the different events. Like for the swan art is done for the anniversary kind of decoration, and also like different type of chemicals which are used in the hotel industry, like R1 to R9, which chemical is used for cleaning what, we teach them, and so that they can be aware and they can do it in the future. So that is all. And if students are looking to like join Dolphin School of Hotel Management, I can tell you this is one of the best colleges to join. So do join Dolphin School of Hotel Management. Thank you.